doing here is we're putting some standard 35% on this beautiful Audi A4. We do seamless back windows. That means one sheet of film, no seams, no cuts, to ensure quality and longevity. The auto window tinting industry is where the art is developed. This is the most difficult part about the window tinting industry, is the curves of the auto glass. One sheet of film. This is a patented move, so all rights are reserved. We got a tarp in here to protect the interior, to protect the deck on the back deck lid, to protect the upholstery. Now these are about tight fits. All of our window tint here at All American is customized to fit every window specifically. Pre-cut kits are not always a good idea, only because they don't always line up properly, and we like to keep the edge of the top edge of the window right at 1/8 to 1/16 of an inch along the top edge, so it looks almost factory. My precise cuts. I should have been a surgeon. This is called a film handler. It's my best friend. It's my partner, I'm going to call it. We apply the film on the outside of the vehicle just to get a template, and then apply it on the inside. About 90% of the customers ask, doesn't it go on the inside? Yeah, it does go on the inside. Again, don't try this at home, because it does take a special skill for this. Again, this is 15 plus years of installation at this location. Get ready to apply the window tint now. For those amateur tinters that are taking off their door panels, that's just insane. It's not required. So stop taking off those door panels and breaking those clips. Get your tuck on. Doing is cleaning the vent prior to application. I'm not touching the film. Getting this in here is a tight squeeze. They make the hole smaller than what the window is for my enjoyment. You just gotta slide it in. Make sure it's positioned properly and apply. These guys are the tough, sometimes the toughies. Keeping them clean is a task in itself. Getting your blade, your squeegee blade and whatnot in it there to get the moisture out is tough. See, I go over it many times to get all that moisture out of there. And this is a perfectly executed vent glass to reduce sun glare in the morning and afternoon hours. Basically any time the sun's darting in your windshield, this is going to reduce it on your eye strain. You can see we protect the stereo, plastic coating to ensure that it's not damaging any electrical circuitry. We don't recommend doing a windshield visor on top of factory windshield strips, only because they can, if you get a rock chip on there, the tint absorbs heat and it can cause the windshield to spread. Rock chip, just stress crack and whatnot. So if you have a factory shading on your windshield, we recommend against putting any kind of windshield visor on there. But if you absolutely must, then we'll put it on. But again, we're not responsible for any windshield chips spreading or anything. The dot matrix around here, this perimeter, it doesn't go away. It actually will all become uniform like that. It's normal. The tint never bonds to the glass. So yeah, that's going to be normal. That's going to be okay. Back here, you can see a lot more moisture. It's back there, but it will clear up. Just give it some time. Yeah, it looks really good. If you just don't roll your windows down, it'll last a while.